Right, welcome to my how-to guide on how to select spin only on an LG washing machine like this. Because if we look around the program dial here, we find that there's no separate spin or no separate rinse and spin option setting. So what we'll do is to select separate rinse and spin. You basically select the fabric you're rinsing. We can obviously use cotton or mix or easy care or even a duvet. So if we go to delicate, for example, we can select delicate, then you move over to the options here, and then the first option allows you to either have rinse and spin or medic rinse, which isn't available on this. We'll select rinse and spin to come away. We'll notice that the time is now dropped to 20 minutes. If we hit play now, it will do one rinse and do a final spin of 800 RPM. Also, because it's delicate, the final spin is limited to 800 RPM, but we can change it. However, if you just want to respin a load of delicates for whatever reason, to do this, you select your rinse and spin like we've just done here, then come over to rinse. Now you can add rinse plus or rinse plus plus, which will add then up to another 2 rinses. But if you take off the rinse and have nothing selected, it will still come up rinse and spin. But if you press play now, you'll actually just do a spin only. And there we go. That's it. That's all you have to do. And you can do this with any cycle. So if we change it back, and we'll select normal cotton. If we select the option of rinse and spin, let's go off, then select rinse, and go to none of these are highlighted, 23 minutes, 1400 RPM, because that's its maximum spin for cotton. And that's it. Great. You can actually have rinse and spin with any cycle. And one little tiny trick here, if you just want to do just the wash, for whatever strange reason, maybe, you can just do a wash cycle and a final spin. These machines are so flexible, it's unbelievable. And to just do that, what we'll do is just select a wash cycle like this. We'll select rinse, and then take off the rinse so it's nothing selected. That's now just a wash and a final spin. And if you take off the no spin, you'll just do the wash and that's it. That's a how-to guide on how to select spin only, as well as rinse and spin, or even wash only. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own washing machine at home.